What's up you guys, Ed here from TechSource, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S5 smartphone for all countries regardless of what carrier you have. Unlocking your phone allows you to use your phone with other networks, and the process is completely safe and does not harm your phone in any way. So first off, we need to get the unlock code for the phone before we proceed with the unlocking procedure. I personally use the unlocking company for all my devices simply because they have the lowest prices in the market with the fastest delivery speeds. So to demonstrate the process, I'm going to use the T-Mobile version and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network. And like I said earlier, it's the same exact steps for all countries and carriers worldwide. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com, and once you're there, you're going to be selecting your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. And once you do that, select Get Unlocking Code, which takes you to your next step, which is to select what country you purchased the phone from as well as the carrier of the phone. And please note that this is the carrier of the phone that it's originally purchased from. In my case, it's T-Mobile. You will need the phone's IMEI number to continue, and I'm going to show you how to look it up on your phone. So open up your dial pad and enter in *#06#, and the code will immediately show up, and you will need to enter that on the website to continue. Make sure you select the correct currency for your country before moving on. And once you select Get Unlocking Code and purchase it securely via PayPal, they will email you the code, and the price and time vary depending on the phone, but they do guarantee that you are getting the lowest price and fastest delivery times. Once you receive your code via email, it's time to unlock your device. So before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Next, go ahead and remove the backplate of your phone and then remove the battery so you can gain access to the SIM tray. Go ahead and insert your SIM card that's from another carrier into the slot. If your SIM card is a different size, then you have to adjust it in order for it to fit. There's actually a link in the description below to show you how it's done. Once you insert the SIM card into the slot, put back the battery and the back case and go ahead and power on your phone. Once it boots up, it will recognize the unaccepted SIM card and it will ask you to enter in your PIN number. This is where you input the unlock code that was sent to you via email. Once the phone accepts your PIN number, your phone is then unlocked and you can begin using it immediately. And that's basically how you unlock your Samsung Galaxy S5 smartphone. If you guys found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions or concerns, you can leave a comment down below. And as always, I will see you next time.